Hi, everyone. So, a lot of people ask me, what do I think about these weight loss drugs that are having amazing effects on people losing weight? 10 kilos, 15 kilos. Yeah, that's amazing. So, what do I think about it? Now, a lot of people know that when I returned to medicine after 5, 6 years break and had to relook at what I thought, what I had to relook at what I knew about drugs. It was really the first time that I realized that drugs really have serious toxic effects. And so I became what I called a non-drug doctor and tried to treat ill health without drugs. But over 35 years, I've learned that drugs really, really do have a place in medicine. So what do I think about these weight loss drugs? You know, the thing is that what I understand about drugs is that they're very powerful. They have serious, serious side effects, but they have a place in medicine and a very, very important place. But the effect is not exactly, or the good effect is not exactly the way we think about it. So, I mean, look what happens when you take a weight loss drug and you lose 10, 15 kilos. How does it make you feel? I saw somebody 2 weeks ago that had lost a lot of weight. She was in her 70s. She lost a lot of weight, really looked good. Gave me a big smile when I said, wow, you really lost weight. She says, yep, I'm taking the drug. So the thing is that the drug helps you to lose weight. And what happens when you lose weight? You feel better. You look much better. Your whole sense of your image changes. Well, that's not due to the drug. That's due to the meaning that has happened as a result of you losing weight. So that's why I keep saying that drugs have a very, very powerful placebo effect. Wayne Jonas, he's a professor, this is his book, How Healing Works. He's a professor of medicine. He says that only 20% of the results are actually due to the medication or the technique we're using. 80% is the placebo effect, or what you call meaning medicine. So the meaning that we give is what really allows the what we call the placebo effect to work. So the placebo is a very, very powerful healing agent, as it were, because and it's what I call meaning medicine, the placebo. So it's a meaning that we give to life on a very deep level. So it's not just, you can be skeptical about the drug, but at the level of meaning, the fact that somebody's giving you a pill to take and that you're taking it 3 times a day, just that itself is healing. So even if you don't believe in the drug, doesn't really matter. You don't realize it, how you are on a deep level recognizing the discipline of the drug 3 times a day, taking the pill. Somebody has given you something that you are taking. You're not throwing it away, you're taking it. So there is something very deep going on. And that is where our life is really about. Our life is not always so straightforward that we think. It's the underlying meaning that we keep carrying. And that's why we have to be careful how we think about life. So when you're taking the weight loss pill, it's not just the weight loss pill that is making you feel good. It's the fact that you lost weight and the way you're understanding the weight loss and what it does to you when you're losing weight. I saw this picture of these 3 pictures of this one lady when she was obese, and then she started to lose weight, and then she lost a lot of weight, and wow, you could see on her face what she was thinking about herself. Her whole self-image had changed. Now that is what's important, not just the pill. So, but the pill made it possible. The big problem comes about when you have to give up the pill, because it's as if you're giving up your self-image again. And that's the problem. So the people that can recognize what's really going on here, use the pill for the advantage that it can give them. They can lose weight. But somewhere along the way, they're going to have to stop, because we don't know yet and that even the drug companies will admit they don't know the long-term effects. And I don't believe that any chemical drug won't have long-term effects. So at some point you're going to have to make that decision. Can you hold on to the meaning of it all? Can you replace the drug with something else which allows you to keep a sense of the meaning of yourself and the way you feel? Even though your weight may go up a little bit, can you still keep a sense of what it feels like to take control of your life now and to do the things that you need to do and not allow appetite to drive you now? Can you allow the meaning to drive you, the sense of the change, that you are a different person? Because there you're falling back onto your own self. Otherwise, you're becoming a drug addict. You're just allowing the drug to hold the meaning for you. And that's not the purpose of the drug. The purpose of the drug is to help you to lose weight. The meaning that happens when you lose weight, that you need to hold on to. And you need to use that understanding to drive your life forward so that you become a full, sovereign person in yourself without the need of the drug. Have a good day.